What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video we will be discussing how to make 700 horsepower on your Mark V Toyota Supra. So we will be discussing how I did it on my car. There's other ways you can do it. This is just how I decided to go about doing it. So first thing you're going to need to do is make sure your car is tunable. Basically all 2020 cars will be tunable. If you have an early production date 21, you might be tunable. What you'll have to do is check your ECU, which is underneath this cover. There's YouTube videos on how to do that, so we're not going to do that in this video. So once you find out that you're tunable, you can decide whether or not you're going to go, you're going to decide what tuning solution you want to go with. I decided to go with, so I went with ecutek, and the car is tuned by Jeff Payn. So yeah, tuned by Jeff Payn, and here's the setup basically, guys. So let's just get right down to it. Top mount P-tune kit. This is the Garrett G35 1050 turbo, 68mm. This is their whole kit. It was installed at P-tune. I did not do this myself. You can see the downpipe, the attention to detail. This is a 2-port. You can see the 2-port manifold through there. This is not a 6-port. So this is basically the main reason why this car is producing so much horsepower. You can see it came with their charge pipe. He's got an extended coupler there so it doesn't blow, and everything under here. So there's that. We have the motiv reflex port injection kit on the car. We run full 85. We can run 93 if we want. Basically the car will adjust the tune based on the percentage of ethanol. So we have that on the car. We also have 1000cc injectors. And we have the Visconti low pressure fuel pump, which obviously you can't see because it's in the back. So that is basically it, guys. That's what I have done to the car. You can see it's stock manifold, intake manifold. We're still running stock internals. We haven't built anything on this car yet. We haven't even put methanol injection on the car. That's still waiting to go on. You can see we got the boost juice over here. We're gonna basically run that into the charge pipe, and we'll just have that for basically added cooling. Speaking of cooling, we do have an upgraded AMS heat exchanger, which you can maybe see down there. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. We do have a straight pipe exhaust, so there's really no restriction coming down the downpipe. But that's basically it as far as my setup goes. I know there's other setups you can go with. You can probably even go with a pure hybrid turbo, like a pure 850 to hit 700. I think that this is a better way to go as far as, future proofing, and if you want to continue your build in the future, you have room to grow. So, yep, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was short, sweet, got right to the point for you guys. And yeah, if you have questions, just comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.